Hi everybody, it's the last day on the Muskegon project here and we're just wrapping things up. I just wanted to give you a quick tour. We started out here with the steppers coming off the driveway that lead out into the backyard and all of the stone with fabric underneath it around the entire yard here. Coming back here you can see all the freshly laid sod that we did. That was our final step today. It makes the area really pop and look beautiful, especially around this patio and huge deck area that the homeowner have. So we had sprinkling installed yesterday after we graded out all the dirt in the ground and everything. So after that's done, then we're able to come in and lay the sod so it can get plenty of water on it. And then all of these seams in the grass disappear as the grass grows in. So the sod is just a really great way to make your yard pop when you're done with a project. Yeah, this project turned out really good. I just wanted to give props to the guys that worked on it. It was a great project, and thank you for watching. Thank you for following. This is Jim with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping.